As the old adage goes, a bad hair day is a bad day. And for salon owners, a bad day can quickly turn into a bad business if they don't keep up with the times. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence can make or break a salon's success. And that is where digital marketing comes in. By utilizing digital marketing strategies, salons can attract more clients, keep them engaged, and encourage repeat business. So put those scissors down, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the benefits of using digital marketing for your salon. Digital marketing can offer a wealth of benefits for salons. Digital marketing can have such great benefits for salons, including increased visibility. A strong online presence can attract potential clients who are searching for salon services in your area. By optimizing your website and your social media, you can ensure that your salon shows up at the top of search results and stands out from the competition. You can get more bookings. With online scheduling and appointment bookings, clients can easily book their next appointment at any time, even when the salon is closed. This convenience can lead to more bookings and fewer missed appointments. Repeat business. By using digital marketing to engage with your clients and offer incentives for repeat business, salons can turn one-time clients into loyal customers that keep coming back for more. So if you're ready to take your salon to the next level, let's explore how you can use digital marketing to make it happen. The first thing you want to do is understand your target audience. You want to know your customers. Before you can effectively market your salon services, you need to understand who your customers are and what they're looking for. After all, not every hairstyle suits everyone. Looking at you, mullets. So if you put your thinking cap on, let's dive into understanding your target audience. Identifying your ideal customer. To identify your ideal customer, you want to start by asking yourself some key questions. What age group are they in? What are their interests? What are their budget for salon services? What hair services do they typically request? Where do they live and work? By answering these types of questions, you can start to develop a clear picture of who your ideal customer is and what they're looking for in a salon. Next, you want to conduct market research. To get a better understanding of your local market, you'll need to conduct some market research. This can include analyzing your competitors. What services do they offer? What are their prices? How do they market themselves? You can also survey your customers. What do they like about your salon? What do they think could be improved? What services would they like to see offered? You can also check out local demographics. What's the average income in your area? What age groups make up the majority of the population? What are trends in local fashion and beauty? Next, you create your ideal customer persona. Once you've gathered all of this information, it's time to create an ideal customer profile. Customer profiles are fictional representations of your ideal customers based on the data you've collected. And these personas can include details such as age and gender, interests, even you can give them a name and have a photo for them. And by creating these customer personas, you can tailor your marketing efforts to speak directly to your ideal customer and their specific needs and interests. And who knows, maybe one day these personas will turn into real-life regulars at your salon. You want to build a strong online presence. Now that you know who your ideal customer is, it's time to start building an online presence that will help attract and engage them. Let's explore some key components of a strong online presence for salons. First, a salon website. First and foremost, every salon needs a website. Your website is your window display of your salon online, and it should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and provide all the information a potential client could need. Be sure to include information about your services, your pricing, your hours of operation, and photos of your salon and team. You want to optimize your website for search engines. Having a great website is important, but it's even more important that potential clients can find it, and that is where SEO comes in. Optimizing your website for search engines can improve your ranking and search results and make it easy for potential clients to find you. Next, you develop a content marketing strategy. Content marketing is one of the best ways to improve your SEO and to engage with potential clients. This can include blog posts, videos, social media content that provide value to your audience. For example, you could create a blog post on the latest hair trends or a video tutorial on how to do a certain hairstyle at home. You want to create a social media presence. Social media is another powerful tool for salons to connect with clients and to attract new business. By creating a social media presence and sharing engaging content, you can build a community of followers who are excited to visit your salon. Be sure to include lots of visuals, such as photos and videos of your salon and of your work, and make sure your posts are eye-catching. The next thing you can do is use email marketing for your salon. I don't want you to forget about email marketing. By collecting email addresses from your clients and your potential clients, you can send targeted messages and promotions that encourage repeat business. For example, you could send an email with salon news and promotions for a special discount for clients who refer their friends. With these digital marketing strategies in place, your salon will be well on its way to attracting more clients and keep them coming back for more. So go ahead and give your online presence a little trim, and we promise it won't hurt a bit. Now, you can also offer incentives for first-time clients. Once you've got potential clients to visit your website or your social media page, it's time to seal the deal and get them through your doors. Now, one way to do this is by offering them an incentive for first-time clients. After all, who doesn't love a good deal, especially when they're trying out a business for the first time? One of the most common incentives for first-time clients is a discount or a coupon. This could be a percentage off their first service or a free add-on, like a deep conditioning treatment or a free haircut with the purchase of a color service. Be sure to promote these discounts on your website, social media, and your email marketing campaigns to get the word out. You can also offer free add-ons or upgrades. Another way to incentivize first-time clients is by offering free add-ons or upgrades to their service. For example, you could offer a free scalp massage or a complimentary glass of wine, whatever works best for your salon. Not only will these add-ons make your clients feel pampered, but they'll also be more likely to return for future services. You can create loyalty programs. Once you've attracted those first-time clients, it's important to keep them coming back for more. And one way to do this is to create a loyalty program. This could be as simple as offering a free service after a certain number of visits, or as complex as a tiered system with different levels of rewards. Be sure to promote your loyalty program on your website and your social media, and include information about it in your email marketing campaigns. By offering these types of incentives for your first-time clients, not only will you attract more business, but you'll also create loyal customers who will return to your salon time and time again. So go ahead, roll out the red carpet to your new clients and make sure that they feel like VIPs. You can also use data to improve your salon's marketing strategy. Now, I know it doesn't sound like the most fun thing to do, but now that you've got a website and social media and these incentives in place, you want to make sure that your marketing efforts are actually paying off. And that is where data comes in. By tracking website and social media analytics, conducting customer surveys, and using customer feedback to improve your services and marketing strategies, you can take your salon from good to great. And who doesn't want that? There are a variety of tools for tracking website and social media analytics, such as Google Analytics and social media insights. And by analyzing this data, you can see which pages on your website are most popular, you can see which social media posts are getting the most engagement, and even what time of the day your audience is the most active online. And this information can help you make informed decisions about your content and your posting schedule. You can also conduct customer surveys. This is a great way to gather valuable data. These surveys can be done in person, through email, or even on social media. By asking your customers about their experience at your salon, you can identify areas for improvement and get ideas for new services or promotions. Using customer feedback to improve your service and marketing strategies is a great idea. Once you've gathered the data from your website or your social media analytics and your customer survey, it's time to put all this information to use. Use customer feedback to improve your services. For example, if you receive feedback that your salon is too cold, you can adjust the temperature. You can also use customer feedback to improve your marketing strategies, such as creating content that addresses the most common concerns or questions that your customers have. And by using data to continually improve your salon's marketing strategy, you can ensure that your efforts are effective and that your customers keep coming back for more. So keep on tracking, keep on surveying, and keep on improving your salon's success in the numbers. You can take your salon to the next level with digital marketing. Let's recap the benefits of digital marketing so that you can book more clients and get more repeat business into your salon. By understanding your target audience, building a strong online presence, offering incentives for first-time clients, and using data to improve your marketing strategy continually, you can take your salon from good to great. Digital marketing allows you to reach a wider audience, create stronger relationships with your customers, and ultimately grow your business. But don't just take our word for it. It's time to take action. Implement these digital strategies today and start seeing results. Remember, the world of digital marketing is constantly changing, so stay up to date on the latest trends and continue to experiment with new strategies. And if you're looking for more support, consider joining the Smart Arsenal. With access to done-for-you templates, hands-on help, and expert guidance, you can take your salon's digital marketing efforts to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and watch your salon grow. And remember, you don't need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and digital marketing is smart for your salon.